Welcome to JDT Education Channel Sri Lanka. Today we are going to learn the lesson 1.1 of A-Level Information and Communication Technology. The lesson outline includes life cycle of data, data versus information, and big data analytics. Let's move to the first part of today's topic, that is the life cycle of data. It includes the three components: data creation, management, and removal of obsolete data. Now it's the time to learn the first component, data creation. Introducing the data into the system is called as data creation. Second part of the life cycle of data is management. Data management means keeping data securely and making it accessible when necessary. The last part of the life cycle of data is removal of obsolete data. Removal of outdated and unnecessary data from the system is known as removal of obsolete data. Now it's the time to go to the second part of today's lesson, that is data versus information. The diagram of converting data into information includes data, processing, and information. Let's move to the first part of the diagram, that is data. Data consists of raw facts and figures relating an object, a person, or an activity. Data can be classified into two parts as quantitative and qualitative data. Let's move to the first classification of data, that is quantitative data. Quantitative data are numerical and developed through counting or measuring, example marks. Second classification of data is qualitative data. Qualitative data such as goodwill, not measurable but can be identified as its properties. It's time to learn the second part of the diagram, that is processing. It's the process of restructuring or reordering of data into information by using a human or a machine. The last part of the diagram is information. That is the data that has been processed into a meaningful form for solving problems and to make decisions. Following are the characteristics of valuable information. Number 1. Relevance. That means the value of the information will depend on its importance for a particular person. Number 2. Timeliness. That means information should be updated and appropriate information is valuable for making effective decisions. Number 3. Accuracy. Accuracy means the correct information is helpful for making correct decisions. Number 4. Completeness. That means information presented with the setting is useful where incomplete information is not sufficient to make decisions. The last or the fifth characteristic of information is understandability. That means the information should be clear and unmistakable. Next, we have to learn the golden rule of information. The golden rule of information graphically represents the value of information in its maximum level at the moment the information is created or the information is released. Also, you can see the value of the information is reduced gradually with time and become less valuable. Now we are moving to the third or the last part of today's lesson, that is big data analytics. Big data analytics is the strategy of analyzing large volumes of data or big data. This big data is gathered from a wide variety of sources, including social networks, videos, digital images, sensors, and sales transaction records. The aim in analyzing all this data is to uncover patterns and connections that might be invisible and that might provide valuable understandings about the users who created it. And finally, through this understanding, businesses may be able to gain an advantage over their competitors and make superior business decisions.